Are you tired of holding your iPad for long periods of time while watching movies, typing emails, or browsing the web? Do you struggle to find a comfortable angle to use your device without straining your arms or neck? The foldable magnetic mount for iPad is the solution you've been looking for. Hey guys, welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. This x36 foldable magnetic mount from Kuxiu for iPad is a game changer when it comes to using your iPad hands-free. No longer do you have to hold your device while watching a movie, typing an email, or browsing the web. With the foldable magnetic mount, you can position your iPad at just the right angle and enjoy your favorite activities without any strain on your arms or neck. Let's take a closer look. The foldable magnetic mount is made up of a sturdy magnetic base, a flexible arm, and an adjustable mount for your iPad. It's pretty easy to install. Just rotate this screw until it matches the width of your table or desk. Screw it tightly, and it's ready to hold your iPad. It is compatible with your iPad 11-inch, first, second, and third generation, your iPad Pro 12.9-inch, third, fourth, and fifth generation, and iPad Air, fourth and fifth generation. The magnetic base provides a stable foundation for your iPad, while the flexible arm allows you to adjust the angle and height of your device. The adjustable mount securely holds your iPad in place, so you don't have to worry about it slipping or sliding out of position. And because it's foldable, this magnetic mount is the perfect companion for your iPad, working from home or just relaxing on the couch. The foldable magnetic mount for iPad offers several advantages over using your device manually. Hands-free usage. With the foldable magnetic mount, you can position your iPad at just the right angle and enjoy hands-free usage. This allows you to comfortably watch movies, read, type emails, or browse the web without any strain on your arms or neck. Adjustable positioning. The foldable magnetic mount offers a flexible arm and adjustable mount, allowing you to position your iPad at various angles and heights. This means you can find the perfect angle for any task, whether you're typing, watching a video, or playing a game. Stability. The sturdy magnetic base of the foldable magnetic mount provides a stable foundation for your iPad, ensuring that it stays in place while you use it. You don't have to worry about your device slipping or sliding out of position. Compact and portable design. The foldable magnetic mount is lightweight and easy to fold up, making it a convenient accessory to take with you wherever you go. You can easily pack it away in your bag or backpack and take it with you on the go. Foldable magnetic mount is the perfect companion for your iPad. It's a versatile accessory that can make your life easier and more efficient. So why wait? Get yours today and experience the convenience and versatility of the foldable magnetic mount for iPad from the link in the description down below. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a casual user, this accessory can help you take your iPad usage to the next level. So this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.